ഇപ്പോൾ ഇന്ത്യൻ പ്രധാനമന്ത്രി ശ്രീ നരേന്ദ്രമോദിജിയുടെ സന്ദേശം മാനന്തവാടി വികാരി ജനറൽ മോൺസിഞ്ഞോർ പോൾ മുണ്ടോളിക്കൽ വായിക്കുകയാണ്.
It is with deep sorrow that I extend my heartfelt condolences on the passing away of Archbishop Emeritus of the Syro Malabar Church's Thrissur Archdiocese, Mar Jacob Thungudi. His demise is an irreparable loss for the nation, particularly for the Syro Malabar Church community. Mar Jacob Thungudi was a distinguished spiritual leader whose life was a symbol of deep faith and tireless dedication. His decades of pastoral service were marked by work towards social empowerment and commitment to serving the most vulnerable in society. He will be remembered for his vision and leadership, as well as his humility and compassion. He touched countless lives with his innate ability to appreciate the best in everyone and encourage them to tap their potential and make a positive impact on society. Mar Jacob Thungudi's legacy of faith and service remains a source of inspiration and guidance for generations to come. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India, New Delhi, 18 September 2025.